Picking up the 46202-K quarter-inch downcut bit with the StepCraft M1000 CNC to cut out some dados here that will accept the bottom panel of this tray. So we just got to get those done. This downcut bit will leave a very nice clean top surface of the project, which is exactly what we want to see on the dado. So we're going to go through and get all of those cut out on all 4 pieces of the tray. So now that that is done, I'll get all of that vacuumed off so that we can see the next series of cuts with the 46170-K quarter-inch compression bit. So this bit is going to go through in 2 passes and create a really nice clean top and bottom surface, or at least that's what it's supposed to do. Here I accidentally set the depth of cut to less than the upcut portion, so you can see that there's a tiny little bit of tear out there at the top. It was almost to where it needed to be, but here we have everything set where it's going down below that upcut portion. You can see how much cleaner that cut is. So it's important to make sure that you set your pass depth correctly and get everything nice and cut clean. So we got all of those pieces done, and it cut right at those miters, so that way we can get everything assembled. So we'll get that vacuumed off, and then we'll get all of these tabs cut free using the fine multi-tool here, just turning up the speed a little bit to get through these quickly. We do need tabs on these smaller pieces, even though we are using a vacuum table. It's really difficult for it to hold down those smaller pieces. We'll get everything flipped over, and you can see how well it cut those miters right up against that edge. That way we don't have to do any work as far as getting everything ready to go. So everything should fit really nicely together. We have a clean top and bottom surface, which is exactly what you want to see from the compression bit. So that is going to do it for this one. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Have a great day, everybody.